Hi. I chose the instrument, the banjo, and it's by me. Um, the banjo is everybody. How many of you think it's from the banjo is from the United States, like originally made?
Maybe not.
Well, actually, I went to a website and it's actually from. Okay, it's okay, but it was probably from Africa near the West Indies, which is where a lot of the African slaves were put in. Were put on ships and sent to the U.S. in the South so they could be cotton slaves. This is pictures of the banjo. This was one of a design of when it was first made. It was made out of something like a kind of. Sometimes it was made out of fruit, like sometimes coconuts, and then like mangoes and all kinds of fruit. And this is what we have now. This is one that has golden pellets on it. These are the banjo's body parts. This, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff, but basically the main things are just the middle of it, and then there's the main kind of base rod, and then the picks that you can tune it. Yeah. This is a. Oh, how do I go back? Because I have a video of the banjo of someone playing banjo. This is someone playing Star Wars on the banjo. It's hard to recognize, but just listen. That's basically what the banjo sounds like. What do you think? What does it sound like to you? Anybody? Roy?
It sounds like a guitar that's playing.
Yeah. Like any particular, like kind of reminder, like since the sound, what does it remind you of? Us? This is the roll of the banjo. Okay. The banjo represents Southern culture music because the slaves are sewed down in the area of the southern United States, like Missouri, Tennessee, Pennsylvania, and other places that were fertile and were able to grow crops. Slaves were also bringing things along, which was another one of them was the banjo, and it made an interesting sound. So people in the United States that they could play it too. Same or not? This is a Venn diagram showing that the guitar has one double hump shape because it goes straight and then it has this and then this, two circles. The same is they both have 6 strings that can be played on. The banjo is only a circle with a stick. I didn't list this, but also another thing that it's the same. They both are a type of a guitar. So yeah, it was kind of simple. That's all. Any questions? Jordan?
Interesting.